Have you ever wondered why banks want you to use your credit card, even when you're not sure you can pay it back? There's a silent mechanism, a financial loop, that rewards your debt. Today, I'll tell you about a man whose mistakes turned into $25,000 debt, all while banks profited silently. Whose simple credit card mistake turned into a bank-approved trap, and how that trap still silently runs inside your own wallet. Part 1. The start of the trap was an ordinary man from Toronto, a young engineer who just got his first job. His bank offered him a starter rewards credit card. No annual fee, 2% cashback, just for loyalty. Within 6 months, he built a perfect credit score. But one night, he received a message. Your limit has been increased from $2,000 to $8,000. That's where the silent game began. Part 2. The psychology of debt. Every bank card runs on 3 hidden psychological levers: trust, delay, and control. You trust your limit. It feels like freedom. You delay your payment. It feels like control. But in truth, both feed the interest algorithm. Never missed a payment, but he only paid minimum dues. The bank silently celebrated because minimum payment customers earn them 12 times more interest than full payers. Part 3. The bank's secret formula. Few people know that your credit score is not designed for you. It's designed for the banks to measure how profitable your behavior is. Behind every transaction, there's a secret rating called a revenue score. It tracks how often you pay minimums, how close you stay to your limit, how consistent your balance is. Part 4. The collapse. One day, lost his job. His minimum payments stopped. Within 45 days, his credit score dropped 110 points. Within 60, his debt was sold to a collector for 35 cents on the dollar. The same bank that marketed him financial freedom made a profit from selling his unpaid debt. That's how the modern credit cycle thrives. Not on people paying on time, but on people paying forever. If this story added value to your wallet or your mind, invest just a second to like, share, and subscribe, because knowledge pays the highest interest.